Hey everybody, Nick Urban out of Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Behind the camera is Sam Howell, and we're going to show you this 2006 Pleasureway Excel. This thing is a true road warrior. 2006, 50,000 miles on it. Let's check it out. Take a good look at it. Picture yourself riding down the road in this on your way to a baseball game with the kids in the back, or just you and your sweetie trucking across country. Well, let's go inside. All right. So as you can see, the cab area, it's nice. Those seats, 50,000 miles, they're barely worn, super comfortable. You even have a CD player, classic. Now, these are manufactured up in Canada, Saskatoon, and they use quality maple materials. So we seek out these Pleasureways, even if they're 2006s, because they are just quality built and they're highly sought after. So check it out. Got a nice little wet room in here. Oh yeah. And you do have some closet space. You got your table, the middle section for this bed. Got some nice little cabinets, your galley, 2-burner stove, and your gas electric. Propane and electric 12-volt fridge. You got a little bubble level there. And then coming back here, super comfortable seats. We get a lot of folks seeking these out. Oh, forgot to throw you the best thing. Look at that classic coffee maker up there. Good stuff. If you like what you see in this 2006 Pleasureway, swing by our showroom, ask for Nick Urban or ask for Sam Howell, and we look forward to helping you out.